Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay. And today I'm here with just a mini haul. So I went this last weekend down to San Diego for a friend's wedding, and most of the people were coming from the San Francisco Bay Area. So it was kind of 4 days of events and fun. And so I didn't really plan on stopping by any Goodwills while I was there, but I did have 2 short breaks where I was able to stop by 2 different stores. And I think what's interesting about stopping by different stores is I get a lot of comments from people talking about pricing in their areas. And so when I am in a different area, it's just nice to kind of see how things are priced and see what brands they're pricing up, or just brands in general that I can find out of the LA area. So San Diego is not that far from the LA area, so I'm sure it's not that different. But I found 10 things. There were 0 sales. So, you know, a lot of the stores I go to, Goodwills are in different regions. They're run by different organizations. And so the few that I go to, it's like one only has dollar days, one only has color of the week, and they don't really have any dollar days. And that's one county. Another county, LA County, which I shop in the most, is color of the week, and then one day of the week that color is $1. There's one over at the coast, and I've gone there and they have very unusual sales schedules, so it's just kind of hit or miss. I think the weekends they tend to have sales, but I've gone there weekdays and they haven't had anything on sales. So I think for me it's just interesting. As far as traveling and thrifting, for the purpose of thrifting goes, I mean, I don't have any plans. I've got a lot of really great product in my area, but if I happen to be somewhere, I definitely want to check out and see what other people experience. So very long intro. Let's get into, well, there's not that much stuff, so it's gonna be a short video anyway. So I got 10 items, like I said. I spent $81.90. So all of these were full price. I don't even think I've taken the price tags off because they just came right out of the bags. I am expecting to get about $430 to $530 in sale price. So that's before fees, that's before removing cost of goods. But the reason I think that's pretty good is it's an average sale price, expected average sale price of $43 to $53, which is definitely on the higher end that I tend to find. So because I was paying full price, I was looking for some items that could bring in a little bit more money. And I think I found some good stuff, and then a few that I probably shouldn't have gotten, but I'm at least gonna double my money on those. That's not the goal I ever aim for, but I'm not expecting to lose any money on these items. So anyways, it was fun. And yeah, so let's just jump right in. I should note that I only spent maybe an hour and a half total at both stores, so there might have been a lot more good stuff, but I was on a time crunch. So this first pair is a pair of Rebecca Minkoff, and they're kind of a heel mule, and I just really liked the design. You know, it kind of goes up like this. So in the front, it kind of looks like an ankle booty, and in the back, more of the mule style. But Rebecca Minkoff, it's black, so I'll just move it around. Hopefully you'll be able to see. I guess it's actually on here as well. Size 8, I'm gonna have to get that off. And I think all their shoes, or most of their shoes, were either $5.99, which these were, to, I think I've got some $9.99, so they were in that range. But yeah, definitely great. I couldn't find this exact one. I do comps pretty quickly, but I do try to find something similar, and I couldn't find anything exactly like this. I found a lot of flat mules. So I'm going to do a little bit more research, but just based off of the style alone, the size, everything like that, I'm actually going to start high at about 100 and hope for about 70 to 80 for sale price. All right, next up, these were funky. So, and I got to clean them up a little bit, but I just like funky. They're kind of this, yellowish greenish color. It's a little hard. I guess it's more of a yellow, but kind of like a green undertone. And this is the brand. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Megumi Ochi. Yeah. They are, I saw a very faint size on here, and it looks like it says 38. And I tried it on, and it's 38 is equal to about 7.5, 8 in US. For most brands, I always look at the brand website. But yeah, I'm an 8 to 9, depending on the shoe. And these fit, they were just a little snug, so I think they're a 38. but really cute. According to some people that had posted about this brand, that they said it was sold at Anthropologie. I still haven't checked the Anthropologie website, but again, I just thought they were just fun, and they need to be cleaned up a little, but not bad. And I'm hoping to get about 35 to 40 for those. This is my first time finding this brand, and I've seen a couple other YouTubers pick this up that live in more wintry areas. That is not Southern California for the most part. This is a pair of shoes, and they're waterproof leather. They're really great style, and the brand is Helly Hansen. And I've never found the brand. I recognized it because of other YouTubers. I benefit from other YouTubers, as well as hopefully me sharing brands can be helpful for people. But there's the Helly Hansen. So a little bit of wear on the bottom, not too bad. I think I can use a magic eraser just to kind of clean it up just a little bit, not too much time. These were a size, they're men's. They're a size 9.5 men's. And the comps on this style, so I mean, they have different kinds of shoes, but on that style, I'm hoping to get about 50 to 60. And I was really happy with that. I mean, these were one of the ones that were $9.99. So I did take a risk, but I was just excited to find a new brand. And then this last pair of shoes, I probably shouldn't have gotten these. I mean, I will be able to make some money. Just, yeah, I was in the wedding mood or atmosphere. And so I think I just saw these and was like, oh, those are the perfect wedding shoes. If someone had like a really pretty pastel pink dress, or even just like a simple dress and they wanted to jazz it up. But these are Bajli Mishka. And I have picked up this brand a couple times. I'm not sure if I sold any. I think I've sold it at least once. But they're just they're a perfect wedding shoe. And I feel like since I had just bought dresses, multiple, so I could figure out which one I wanted, I feel like weddings are just those things that you wear things once and then you never wear them again. So buying used makes sense. But the bottoms, it looks like they've just been they've got a little bit of wear, like a little bit of wear right there, but it's definitely not bad. So again, I did pay $9.99 for these. Probably should have left them, but it is a designer people search for. So I'm hoping to get about 40 to 50 on if I hold out for the right buyer. And I think that I will do that. I'll start high. I'll start about 75. You know, some Bajli Mishkas can go for over 100. I saw myself for selling for 20. So I think it's just going to probably not be a quick sale, but you live and you learn. All right. A few clothing items. This pair, another one I decided to take a chance on because I thought it's just a couple things. They just are Pilcro in the letterpress. They're a high-rise boot cut. And boot cut high-rise cropped, which these look like it, are very trendy. I wouldn't necessarily say boot cut is in at the moment, but the boot cut kind of cropped seems to be very trendy with like a pair of ankle boots and stuff like that. But this is Pilcro on the letterpress, Anthropologie, but I just loved this on the bottom. I just thought, how cute is that with a pair of heels or ankle boots? Just a fun little jazz on the bottom. And I did find a couple of these had sold, not for as high as I had hoped. Mind you, I didn't look up comps. I was like in a rush. And so I'm hoping on the high end that I'm going to start high. I'm going to start about 60. I'm hoping to get somewhere between 40 or 50, but I might only get about 30. So might not have been the best pickup at $10, but I'm definitely at least going to make my money back, if not double it. And I'll just probably wait. I just think they're too cute. Someone will love them. So this is my first time finding this brand, which is Good American. And these are the Good Legs. And if these were in a different color, I would probably keep them because they are a 1231. Looks like they're high rise. They're kind of a slim or skinny leg. I'm not a huge fan of a dark wash. I'm more of like a medium wash type of person. And I also have some dark wash jeans. But this the first time I found this brand. It's a great size. The comps look pretty great. I'm hoping to get about 50 to 60 for this. That's Khloe Kardashian's kind of expensive jean line. So, and again, I think I paid $10 for those. But I think those will definitely do well. This pair, I like this brand. I wish I could find it in my size. It's the DL1961. This is the Emma Jegging, and they just have this 4-way stretch, 360 comfort. So it's just, I feel like it's just a good style I would like to wear. So I think that's why I keep picking it up. It's a size 25, I believe. Yeah, a size 25. Hoping to get about 30 to 40 for these. And then a couple dresses. This is my first time finding Halston Heritage. And it's this really pretty cocktail dress, if I can kind of back up. So it's strapless. It's got this really pretty detail up there. And it's just kind of this gold and black, just a very, very cute cocktail dress. This is the tag and a size 2. So yeah, when I saw this, it's been on my bucket list of finding this brand. And I just thought it was adorable. So I'm hoping to get about 60 to 75 for this. Another brand where it can go for kind of a lot more, or some can go for less, but. And then this one, I feel like animal print, I don't see it going out of style very often. And this is, I think, a perfect fall dress. So this is COMMONTAGS Valvo. Yeah, extra small. It's just a long sleeve. It's got some ruching on the side right here, which is very flattering, kind of on the waist section. It looks like it hits above the knees and has some stretch. So it is an extra small, but it's a fitted dress. But I think with a pair of ankle boots or just knee-high boots, I just feel like this is just such a classic style. Has some ruching on the sleeves right there as well. So I decided to pick it up. I have picked up this brand once before. It hasn't sold yet. But like I said, I feel like it's perfect for the season. And I just like the style. So with that one, I'm hoping to get somewhere between 35 and 40. And then this is the last item. It's adorable. And it's kind of a perfect spring, kind of cropped 3/4 length sleeve, button front. It's got the 6 buttons, but just kind of a cute little floral print and like a very pretty, it's almost like a gray purplish color. And this is Anthropologie Lime. I always hear people say 11Zs, but then I hear people say 11Ss. I think it's 11Zs, but I'm sure someone will clarify in the comments. I just thought it was cute. And size 4, I'm not expecting too much for this, only hoping to get about 25 to 35 if I just hold out for the right buyer. So overall, it's not gonna be a bad return. It's 10 items that I didn't have before I went. I did spend $80 on these 10, so it broke out to be just over $8 per item. But I feel like sometimes it's good to just go and explore new places and see what it's like shopping in other people's environments. I wasn't able to go to the San Diego bins. I didn't have the time, and I wasn't going to make that a priority. I have heard that it's more auction style there, and it's on my list. I'll definitely check it out someday, just not this trip. So anyways, that's my little mini haul. I hope you enjoyed. Give the video a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.